Arigatou gozaimasu. We want to sing you a song. It's called Tulip. And then after when we finish our assembly, we will bow and then we will sing the song again. So it's Tulip.
Okay,
it's
here we go.
Saita, Saita, tulip no naranda, 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 akashiro kiro, dono hada mite mo kirei da na. And then you do that. Saita, Saita, tulip no hananda, naranda, naranda, akashiro kiro, dono hada mite no kirei da na. Dun, dun. And then you clap.
Well done, Alison. That was Alison singing his Japanese song, Tulip. That is the name, Tulip.
No, this is the song. This is Japanese. We're learning about Japanese, so we bow.
You bow. Well done.
Well, thank you for listening to our assembly, and then we clap again, and then we sing the song again.